YouTube. I'm in the houses. I'm in Palm Springs. These houses. That's a pretty good house. If I was a home insurance, I was a drone, I was a satellite, I'd like look at this house right here, say not bad, clean, no trunk, not a lot of cars. Brush or cut back from the house. Another one here you can see. I think this one's an Airbnb rental. Same thing. The trees are cut back, not too many bushes. But for this one of the houses though, I don't know if it's one or both. You see how you have those big trees? The more trees and brush you have, they're going to consider that a hazard. So make sure if you're going to have trees, keep them cut low. Keep them cut low or have one or two. Do not have a lot of trees in your yard because that's going to be an excuse for them to raise your insurance. Because that's what they're going to do now. I'm in California. We've had 4 or 5 wildfire fires. So some people are going to get their policies canceled and no one else is going to insure them because of the fire hazard area they live in. So they got to get what we call like the California Fair Plan. It's a policy that covers fire. And then if you want to add additional things such as earthquake, flood insurance, you know you have to do a big rider, but it's pretty expensive. So in California, we're going to have a crisis. So here's one here too. I'm just going by because now they use drones. So drones, or they have the satellites above the blue just looking at you. So it's just an excuse for California especially. Oh yeah, you have a lot of fires. You have a potential fire danger. So we're going to raise your insurance. But, or you may get a letter, hey, like I showed you, like look at the little palm tree. See all those dead things? That's a fire hydrant. They'll say, hey, could you get someone over here to cut back the palm tree? So little stuff like that you got to look at now with your houses, man. That's what I tell you. I was in California right now. Pay your house off. Now, if you pay your house off now, then you don't have to worry about insurance. You can get like a insure yourself, or you can just pay for maybe fire, earthquake. But maybe it'll be cheaper than going through Allstate, going through Farmers Insurance, subscribe. That's the one in California that they cut like 35,000 people. And then they're going to ask the governor if they can raise your rates for some of you guys who are in like nicer area, low danger areas. So make sure you subscribe. But remember, go take a look at my channel. Remember those 3 things I told you today? Do not have stuff like that. Do not have clutter. And do not have your palm trees especially. Cut those dry things because I don't consider that a fire hazard. But what it would absolutely do is put you on their radar. So once you're on their radar, what they're going to keep doing? Keep picking on you until finally, hey, we're going to either raise your rates or they may just cancel you. Because they say that in their mind you could be a high risk. So subscribe. Let me know if this helped.